It's delicious, huh? They are happy to eat. They are hungry. Oh, you are there again. Wow. Okay, kain lang kayo because the cold is coming and that flower is gonna gone. You don't have a juice anymore. I'm glad that you're happy to eat my flowers. See? Just stick and eat. Look at that. Wow. Pero next in 2 days, mag-ano na siya guys, cold. So, gonna cold and no more bees, no more flowers. Sorry. You don't have food anymore. Dami nila, oh. Masaya sila ngayon. Masaya sila. Wow. A lot to be. Bee. It's a lot. Magpakasaya kayo. Masaya kayo dyan ng kain. Hala, ayan ang dami nila. Wow. You enjoying, ha? Lahat na, na flowers mayroon. Uy, naku po. Sige, kain lang, kain. Yun na naman, oh. Dami nila, oh.
Want to water the flowers.
Daming bee, oh. Don't put the water that you gonna bring inside. Oh my God, there are a lot. They are happy to eat. Wow, a lot to be. My God, ang dami nila. Yan, oh. Ang dami nila, dami. Sige, magpakasaya lang kayo in 2 days. Frozen na siya, frozen. Frozen in 2 days. Nagdidilig pa yung isa, kahit magdilig ka wala na rin. Nagdidilig pa siya. Nako, ang saya ng mga bees. Saya niyo guys. Sige, magpakasaya kayo dyan. Diba? Magpakasaya kayo. Kain lang kayo. Kain lang. Ayan na ang disaster. Disaster. Ano siya. Yan. Pakasaya kayo, pakasaya. Yan na sila guys. Wala na. Yan, no. Pero dito magaling pa yung sili, oh, marami pa. Tsaka yung bulaklak dito, ang ganda, oh, ang tataba. Wow, ang tataba dito, oh. This is so healthy here.
Yeah, they're very good.
They're really good, the flowers here. put a lot of fertilizer, huh? Wow. They're so healthy. Gaganda ninyo, guys. Diba? Wow, galing.
Water here now.
Yeah. In 2 days, they're gonna froze.
No froze.
But this one is still okay. This one you can leave there. It's okay.
But it killed all the other.
Yeah. After the yellow, this one they come out,
Yeah.
right? So that is good idea.
Yeah, but we have to thin them out because next year there'll be even more.
No. They didn't come. We need to plant next year.
Yeah,
That-
they come back.
All-
You didn't plant these.
All that one I plant. Yes, I did. Didn't come back that. I plant. I do like these 2 line in the middle of the yellow one.
Look at my roses. There's a big one coming here tomorrow. I can cut it.
You think I didn't plant that? I did. 2 line I did.
Oh,
In the middle of the yellow one.
but this one I don't like.
That is the best flowers in Philippines. It's 4 o'clock. They call 4 o'clock.
Well, they don't come out. Look.
No, every 4 o'clock, they gonna close. They gonna open at 4 o'clock.
Oh, well.
Ano guys, may bye-bye na kayo kasi 2 days na lang magpo-frozen na. Wala na yung aming mga plants. Wala na, nalinis ko na. We gonna restart. Okay, look. Kasi yung aming sunflower, wala na. See? It's good the papers I didn't put inside, and then you still can put water, huh?
I just put water on them.
Inside?
No.
The one inside, no.
Oh.
Maybe I bring the sprinkler and put. Can you put the water, the sprinkler? And I am gonna put inside.
Yeah.
The one, the sprinkler there.
And those the peppers, they need water.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow it's going to be hotter than today.
So need to put more water. Look at that.
Look how healthy they are. Okay?
Because they come late.
They come late, yeah. They don't like the hot weather. It's not.
Okay guys, we're last watering the flowers because they're gonna become frozen. Welcome to winter na. Done summer. Look at our tomato, what I did. The tomato is kalanchay.
Pardon?
The tomato, it's skeleton now. I remove all the leaves. And the sweet char, no more. They're gonna die. What can I do? They're dying. Right? And the tomato, no more. I remove already all the leaves. So it's only skeleton. So that next week I gonna remove this everything. Right? Okay, no more. And the sunflower there is almost done. Okay guys, thank you. See you for my next vlog. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye. Thank you. Bye.